Hey guys, welcome back to our vlogs. Very exciting content for y'all today. I got her something special. We're gonna be unboxing it with y'all. As you can tell by the title, it's a new iPad Air 5 that just came out recently, and I've also got her the Magic Keyboard as well as the Apple Pencil to go along with it. So we'll be unboxing that with y'all today.
This arrived last week, right?
Something like that.
And then, yeah.
Oh, you need a, let me know if you needed like a key or something.
Oh! It's here. Shireen. iPad Air 5th generation. The box is so nice.
With the M1 chip, same as the iPad Pro.
You want to open it?
No, go ahead. Ooh.
You can see it.
You want me to focus?
So let's start here.
Listen. Oh yeah.
So where is it? Where's that? Wait, this will be the last. So what's inside the box is this one. Some holes. No sticker?
Oh.
It should be have a sticker. Oh, I have it here. You can see it. The sticker.
Okay, we got this. Alright, show them the iPad, babe.
Wait, the charger. We have the charger over here. This one. And oh, look at it. It's I'm not touching it yet. It's open. So here it is.
I got Apple Care on it, so if there's any issues with it, take it back to the Apple store.
It's a pay. Where's my name?
No, you said put the emoji.
So this is, you can customize it here. What I'm putting here is here. There's a heart here, a heart emoji here. Here you can see it. It's blurred. It's color pink. It's here. So nice. I like the heart over here. So this is the new iPad Air. Where it's like this. Here.
Okay. And we've got the Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil. We'll be unboxing.
This one?
Sure.
This is the keyboard.
The keyboard next. You want me to break it for you?
Yeah, I think so. Sorry. Ooh, stinging. Mm. magic keyboard. iPad magic keyboard. So heavy. It's more heavy than the iPad Air. Ooh. So here it is.
Damn.
I'll just like that. Okay, so here it is. So nice, color black, matte black. Let's try to put it.
No, I think it goes like this.
Hold on.
It goes here, yeah.
So it looks like this when you put the iPad. It's so nice. Back and bend it here.
Okay, okay.
And lastly, the what do you call this?
Apple Pencil.
Apple pencil. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
You know what it looks like?
Yeah, I have an idea about it. Train. So here it is. Sorry, baby.
Doesn't work.
I'm gonna open it. We have here. And here it is. With a heart, still a heart in it. See? So there's a heart and heart emoji over there. You can see it. Okay, it's here. And it's blurred now. My face is blurred now. Baby, my face is blurred. So here it is. Terrain. Terrain. So, got it. Ah! Ah! And a pen.
Damn, the keyboard lights up just like on a MacBook.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, look, it's so nice. See? Lights up. Ooh. Okay. That's it. The new iPad Air. Thank you, baby.
Love you, babe.
Oh, you can put it here. It's also a magnet.
Oh, okay, okay.
And it's also a magnet. You can just like put your the iPad here. Just put it there and it's okay. And it's here. So, it's so nice.
Nice.
We're gonna try it.
Alright, thank you so much for watching, y'all. I'm glad that my girl enjoyed it. Hope y'all will be back for our upcoming videos. We've got more exciting content for y'all